All right. So I want to make this video. Um, I did something. Well, I didn't do it. So me and AI did it. I don't want to claim um of doing something completely by myself when it wasn't completely by myself. But I've been learning the Vulkan Vulkan API, and I've been slowly working through it, and I've been using AI to help me figure things out. Finally, after all of this time, I can load a mesh from Blender into Vulkan. So I want to show this, and I'm gonna eventually walk through the code. I'm gonna make another video where I walk through the code, but I'm gonna have to learn it first. So if I get to a point of understanding it, I'll walk through the code, so everyone can see what's going on. So I have a mesh in here, right? In Blender. Let me just edit the mesh, right? Uh, so I'm gonna go into edit mode. Let's not do that. Let's extrude the face along the z-axis. Go up. It's a little weird looking. Whatever. Let's just export that to a wave object file. I'm gonna call this. Let's go to development. My Git learning Vulkan and C. Blender to Vulkan, and I'm gonna name this weird shape. Why not? Weird shape. .obj. Bada bing, bada boom. Now I'm going to go into my code, my main.c, look for the part where I say .obj. Here we go. And I called it weird shape. Did I save it in the wrong spot? A wired shape. Oh well. I was trying to say weird, but whatever. Let's make clean first, then make run. And it did load the shape. It's upside down. It's upside down. I'll say that part. But it did load it. Which is crazy. I'll add another change to this because why not? I'll extrude this face too out a little bit. Export wave. I think it's because Vulkan uses, well, what is it, NDC? Like the coordinates are different from Blender to Vulkan, basically. Where shape 2, why not? That's cool. That'll work. Make clean, make. Yeah, it's upside down, but it's going. Not the most optimal thing, but so far it's working. So yeah, I want to make a video in the future going through this. If I want to walk through the code myself, learn some things, figure out exactly what's happening, and then maybe do a step-by-step, or maybe not even step-by-step, but just some type of informative video about this. So there you go.